Okay, let's see how YouTube is doing before I start. Test, test, test. Start. Test, test, test. Start. Okay, it works pretty good. Now, since I have a moment to do a little live stream now, since I have some time to myself, let's do a little forecast. Now, I did a forecast on my blog site already, so that's why I'm forecasting, so I know what I'm doing here. Hold on. I need to do what? Oh, yeah, I know. Copy. No, that's not what I meant to do. Oops. Did I cut? Okay, good. Beautiful. I showed off this site on my first test that I did. Finally, I got to another forecast that it was like 14 days since I last did one, which was kind of poor. Without too much babbling, this is just basically, I just don't know how fast time is going by. Work is making me sluggish and tired. So basically, today's Friday, right? So both weekend days will feature plenty of sunshine, low relative humidity about like 30% on average. Temperature should be around it looks like it's going to be, sadly, looks to be decent day in this upper 70s, low 80s. Same thing for Sunday. Now, where did I say that? Saturday looks to be a refreshing day. Similar day in store for Sunday. Okay, so that wording right there was a little. I didn't see that. So it's similar to. So Saturday and Sunday are both going to be in pretty much near 80 degrees. Monday, it's going to be turning hot and a tad bit more humid as southwest winds blow. Temperatures are going to be near 90. Tuesday is the same thing. It's going to be quite hot. Showers and storms will be approaching on Tuesday night into Wednesday. Wednesday is still going to be a showers and thunderstorms as the low passes through really slowly. It's still going to be a very hot day in the lower 90s Wednesday, and then after that, Thursday, the low passes, blend of sun clouds, a little less humid, with highs in the middle 50s. Oh, that's a typo. Oh, shit. Um, okay, I gotta fix that for a second. So the screen ain't gonna move for a little bit. I gotta fix that. That's, not acceptable. Where did I put my, oh, there it is. I'm doing some editing on the fly right here. Why did I say low 50s? Middle 80s. Be around the middle 80s. Okay. Do I have anything else to edit while I'm at it? Boy. Where was I? Oh, I see what I did there. Oh, I see what I messed up here. Okay, let's fix this. It will be a warm but less. It will be warm but less humid. I don't like that sentence right there. I gotta fix that. It will be warm in the middle 80s and less humid with dew points around the middle 50s. The dry air continues to move in, leading to a refreshing, partly cloudy Friday with highs. I don't like that either. The dry air continues to move in, Friday, leading to a refreshing, partly cloudy day with highs either side of 85. So it's supposed to be pretty much the same temperatures. Hold on, I don't want to say middle. I want to say either side of 85. You know, sometimes when I do these forecasts, I don't read them out that well. Shit. Come on. We'll be, now I gotta look at my actual data to see if I actually said that right. Hold on. I was looking at Thursday, Friday, right? Okay. Friday continues to move in Friday, leading to a refreshing partly cloudy day with highs either side of 80. Okay, okay, that's a lot better. Hmm. I see. You know, sometimes my grammar's not one of the strong points, but I'm improving every single day. Oh, okay, time to update that. Okay, without making fun of myself, let's refresh. With stew points around the middle 50s. Okay, that makes a lot more sense right there. Alright, yeah. One of my high school special ed teachers always said that you have to read things out loud because sometimes it doesn't make any sense when you when I type sometimes. Oh well, that's that's just that's just that's true. You do have to read things out. Okay, that's my latest post there. What I was going to start with right now, I was looking at the temperatures across the region right now. Temperatures are pretty much in the lower 80s across the region, and the little high elevations. It's in the mid to upper 70s. It's pretty much 80 degrees pretty much everywhere here. There's some 70s over here, probably because of the breeze coming off the water, keeping things cooler in this general area here. But yeah, pretty decent day. Dew point temperatures are in the mid 50s, pretty much generally. That's 61, but the relative humidity is comfortable, being around 40-50%. So it's pretty nice across the region. You've got southwest, west winds across the region in Massachusetts. Let's put the radius to be, let's say, about 50 miles to this point in the map. If you look out the wind bob looks like they're pretty much going west, southwest, and then west. So, okay, now you know that as right now it's pretty decently comfortable. Now look at the map. this low pressure system ain't going to be a big deal. It's going to slide south of us and it ain't going to be giving us any issues. The weather is coming out of the northwest with dry, cooler air coming down from the northwest. Let's see the upper level flow. The upper level flow is going from the northwest right here, so that's drier air. You can tell it's dry air if you look at the moisture. Look how dry it is coming in. This is going to push in throughout the day tomorrow to make it a nice weekend. Nice weekend with plenty of sunshine, low relative humidity, and temperatures in the mid 80s. Did I write mid 80s? Let's find out just for a moment there. Let's back up. Low to mid 80s. Nah, low upper 70s, low 80s. I did this forecast, but I'm forgetting what I said. It goes to show you I'm just rushing trying to get stuff done before I have to go back to work again for the next 3 days, and then I'm on vacation. So when I'm on vacation, I'm not going to be home to do much forecasting because I'm hopefully going to be away going having some fun up in the mountains. So this is basically showing you the flow. As you can see, the dry air is filtering in. This is just, as you probably can see, this is a lot of moisture from this low pressure system, but this dry air doesn't seem to be changing all that much. You really can't see a lot of movement in this area right here. So now that we know that the dry air should be coming in, I already told you what the weather was supposed to be. You probably can stop this live stream now and say, okay, I heard enough. But let's just look at windy.com. I like this site because this graphical interface is amazing. All right, the stream says is excellent stream health. It's just a suggestion. It says stream health is healthy, so everything's healthy here. Let's go to my recording software. My recording software say any decoding overloads here? Zero drop frames. I'm recording this at 30 frames per second because I don't really want to do 720p 60 frames per second because it's too blurry. I want you to see the map on your screen or your smartphone and stuff. I want you to see the details with 1080p. But if I do 60 frames a second 1080p, my laptop is going to just, say forget it. It's going to be choppy, laggy streaming. I'd rather not do that. I'd rather have a consistent 30 frames per second stream than having it bounce between 40 and 60 frames. And then my end of my laptop is laggy. Like I know my mouse cursor jumps around and stuff, so I don't want that. All right. Let's continue. Let's just say that I didn't show you my forecast on my blog site. Let's just go to, why is it buffering on my screen? Come on, put the preview down to 1440p. I don't need to be using resources looking at my feed. I just want to see if it's live. Okay, let's see what will happen now. Let's put dew point, relative humidity. Let's look at the dew point for example here. These streamlines are not good here. Let's see even worse. You can't even see them. That's better. So you got some type of high pressure flow. It's not really organized right here, but there's some type of high pressure in this region here. And we've got plenty of dry weather coming into our region because of that northwest flow up aloft from 500 millibars with all that dry air. So if we progress this forward, this dry air should be filtering in. And it does. Look at Saturday afternoon. Look at the dew point temperatures in the mountains right there. Absolutely stunning. If I was up there on my vacation this week, that would be such a beautiful weekend. Dew point temperature. Why did this skip? Dew point temperatures around 40. Temperatures around 65. Couldn't be any more beautiful up there. About 40% relative humidity up there. But for our region, it's going to be really dry. Dry, refreshing air for your Saturday. Temperatures are going to be in the low 80s, like I said. Upper 70s, low 80s. A beautiful day in store for you Saturday. Okay, you get into Sunday morning. Oh yeah, I forgot to see what the temperature. Saturday morning is going to be about 60 degrees. It's going to be a little cool on Sunday morning with temperatures about mid to upper 50s. Temperatures are going to be beautiful again with highs around 80. Both weekend days under high pressure, beautiful summer weather. You can't ask for much. But if you get to around Sunday evening, this high pressure forms right off the Gulf of Maine right here and brings in southwest winds. There's a southwest flow here in the middle of the Ohio Valley here from this low pressure system. As you can see, there's a frontal boundary there. You got high pressure moving here. You got high pressure here. So what will happen next? We'll find out. High pressure brings in back the sticky, more humid conditions for your Monday. The main factor it is Monday is the heat. Temperatures are expected to climb toward 80 degrees. Plenty of sunshine that day, no storms at all because the low pressure system's way out here. Plenty of sunshine, warm conditions, not that humid. I mean, it's a little humid than this weekend, but it's still not bad. Southwest winds prevail still. Temperatures only get into the mid 60s for your Tuesday morning. I forgot to skip on Monday morning. Monday morning is going to be near 60. Tuesday morning is going to be near the mid 60s. And this is what Tuesday is going to be about. Temperatures are going to be in the low to mid 90s. Dew point temperatures are going to be up in the 60s, so it's going to be humid. As I read on my post showers and thunderstorms as this cold front moves through, as you can see, the winds are coming from the northwest along the low pressure system. Showers and thunderstorms are going to be dew point temperatures really sticky over the night. Dew point temperatures start to slow down slowly on Wednesday, but Wednesday still going to be showers and storms as the low pressure system has not fully cleared us, and it's going to be still hot. Partly cloudy, 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. High still around 90, not as hot as Tuesday due to the drier air and the northwest winds. Finally, the dry air starts filtering in on Wednesday night into Thursday, as you can see, but it doesn't drop all that much until Thursday afternoon. Temperature's still going to be hovering around the mid 80s to even near 90, so the dew points dropped a tad bit, but it's still going to be hot. And I think Thursday is supposed to be clear of any precipitation. I think that this front moves out. Northwest winds, high pressure builds back in. It's still going to be hot. Friday, I think it's going to get really dry again and comfortable. As you can see, lots of dry air filters in, very low relative humidity, sunshine, beautiful weather. Temperature still around 85-ish degrees on your Friday. Here's a special here. I didn't go into Saturday and Sunday on my blog post, but since now I'm live streaming, let's do it. For your weekend, you still it looks like we have high pressure building. Looks like south winds here, north winds here. This is high pressure right here. Temperatures cool off. Ooh, what just happened there? Looks like there's a low pressure system that was right here, and then it seems to pushed out. Then high pressure forms. Then it gets scalding hard again with southwest flow on Saturday. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to be humid, but southwest wind and hot temperatures. And this is going to be a streak of very warm conditions the next several days. Is it going to be cloudy? Nope. It's going to be perfectly sunny on Saturday. Let's see, what did the GFS say? Pretty much the same thing. High pressure offshore southwest winds. But this, it looks like some type of frontal boundary is way out in the west there. The Euro saying, yeah, there is a frontal boundary right there. So there's some type of frontal boundary that seems to be wanting to move through. Let's progress this a little further. Looks like there's a frontal boundary here that's coming in, and a lot of moisture coming up the coast here, as you can see. And then that goes out 240 hours. And as I can see right here, I don't see any viewers here. It's all empty. Well, I'm streaming to myself. I really like doing that just because it keeps me motivated. Let's go back to Saturday now. Okay, let's see. So high pressure seems to want to build off the Gulf Stream. Some type of frontal system wants to come in to the northwest over Canada here. There's a lot of activity over here in Georgia and Alabama here. The GFS has a different idea, but that there's some type of trap frontal boundary right down here. Got high pressure flowing over here. We got some type of low pressure here. Okay. Looks like it's still going to be a hot day on Saturday. A mix of sun and clouds, a blend of sun and clouds. Yeah, there's some type of frontal system here. The European wants there to be a lot of activity down in this region that's going to be thrown up the coast towards us, as you can see here. The GFS doesn't have that activity, but does have that frontal boundary coming through. The Euro has that frontal boundary being right there, but it's not moving through. All this energy's coming in. So that's why I didn't do the weekend on my blog post, because who knows what's going to happen here. Those are two different scenarios there. It's still saying that there's high pressure along this area right here, but the different the details all over the place. This has a frontal boundary system wanting to come in here. This has a way bigger area of showers and activity over here that almost looks like that this is going to push up and make a mess on us the following week, while this one's saying no. What's the temperature supposed to be for Sunday? Naturally, it's going to be cooler because of the rain that's expected and the cloudiness. Well, it almost looks like Saturday looks to be fine, but the frontal system and a little instability seems to come in on Sunday into the following week. So that's all I really need to do to forecast. That was a small discussion in about 25 minutes. There's not really anything I want to go any further than this because this is going out. This is going out right now. 1 week. This is actually going out about 10 days. I did up to Wednesday, which is 5. This is 6, 7, 8. I basically just did 9 days there. The European and the ZFS on this site only goes out so far, so I can't use this site to forecast any further, as my stream preview is buffering all over the place and it's not even keeping up. Okay, so what else do I want to do? We already went through this that this cold front moves in. Oh, this goes to okay. Wait a minute. Where am I at? This is July 18th. When did I end on this one? Oh, July 17th. No wonder why I'm confused and have no idea what I'm doing. So I ended about right here with this frontal system moving in right here. That frontal system moves out. Since it hasn't completely cleared us, it looks like Sunday looks wet. Monday there's a break, and then there's more activity around on Tuesday. So it looks like it's going to be an unsettled week to start that following week. This model goes up to 288 hours, but I can't use any of these models. The Euro doesn't go out that far, the Canadian doesn't go out that far, and the Icon doesn't go out that far. So how am I going to forecast that far? I would need to look at ensembles. So let's see, where did I end up? I ended up, oh, this one's not developed yet, so I have to move down to the 12th. As my stream preview wasn't keeping up, I didn't notice if it was alive or not. Hey, so it looks like, looking at the ensembles, there's a little ridging, there's a little troughing there. So we all know that this front moves through Wednesday. It clears us. It becomes beautiful on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Then a little trough comes in right here. That's probably why we have a low pressure system with showers and storms, possibly Sunday and Monday. It's still in a little trophy pattern at 500 millibars, but 500 millibars only does the general flow. Still in a little trophy pattern. It's still in a trophy pattern. See, this is a huge ridge, so this is a massive amount of heat that's in this area right here. Looks like since this is a massive amount of heat in this area, we are in a trophiness. Let's back up now. Let's just see what we can try to iron out here. What do we want to look at? We want to look at 850. Now we are closer to the surface. Looks like we got that trough that comes in. Ooh, it looks like 850 is a lot different. This is a huge ridge right here. It looks like maybe Sunday, Monday is going to be wet, and then after that, It still looks like it's going to be wet Sunday through Tuesday. Then after that, it just becomes west southwest winds and no real buckling. It doesn't look like much is going to happen here. You got this ridge bouncing up and down here. So as far as I can see, I don't see anything significant happening. But just a few showers Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of that following week. But who knows what's going to happen? Hmm. What else am I going to look at here? There's that little front that's supposed to be moving through here. Ridge building over here. Should dry us out by Tuesday. Nothing seems to nothing significant looks like it's gonna happen after that front moves through. Looks like west winds, there's not really much buckling, no indication of a low pressure system to step up here. But this low over here looks like it wants to slide down on us by like Thursday, Friday. I don't know if that's gonna do anything significant there. Well, it doesn't look like it's that much of an active week. The week of the 17th onward. Let's see. Let's look at another one. So southwest winds on Sunday. Not really much going on right there. This model saying this Saturday. Saturday we have that high pressure and nice conditions. Southwest winds buckle up. Looks like it gets to be a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. The southwest. Oh, there it is. See that little hook right there? The southwest winds over here starts to buckle just a tad bit. This looks like some type of cold front that moves in there. Look how the winds are now going west when it was a little southwest there. So there's a little weak front that's probably going to come through sometime Sunday, Monday. Then after that, it doesn't look like it's going to do much. I mean, this still looks like a low pressure system is circulating around here. Ridge back into low. High pressure seems to be building right here. Looks like pretty decent weather into the next weekend, the 2 weekends after that. But what I'm basically looking at is like different models all coming together and making an average of what it could be. So I don't really see anything significant happening during that week. We all know it's supposed to be beautiful Thursday and Friday, when that cold front finally passes Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday looks good. There's some type of cold front that's going to come in on Sunday and Monday, and then after that, I think Tuesday through the rest of the week shouldn't have any significant issues. So okay, that's 30 minutes forecast. That's pretty much all I want to really do on this small discussion. As I have zero views of this whole entire stream, which is good. Well, it's not good, but you know, what's this here? Oh, video link. I wonder if this is gonna work. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, this is gonna be cool. I'm watching my own live stream and it's 1080p. Okay, this is gonna be cool. I'm watching my own live stream and it's 1080p. Okay, this is gonna be cool. Yeah, and then it's going to take my audio and just loop it like that. So I have to delete my desktop audio so I can listen to myself. Okay, is it going to be doing weird things again? I mute my desktop audio, so it shouldn't be giving me these issues. Okay, it cleared itself out now, so that's good. Yeah, the screen quality, oh there, yay! My blog just gave me a notification that I went live. Hey, one watching. I wonder why I'm watching my own live stream because of my blog site. Hey, there's 2 views here. Okay, that's enough with that. It's just echoing and making a huge mess right there. But as I'm looking at my stream here on my 4K monitor, everything looks crystal clear. I can see all the text and stuff on my screen, so definitely streaming at 1080p is a must because streaming at 720 is just too blurry. I can tell you that now. Too blurry. Alright, so what am I gonna do now? I can just close out this stream here. I don't need that no more. Yay, look at that, I'm live on my blog post. Well, that's one way of getting people into my oh, wait a minute. Why do I have two tabs open on my blog site? Get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. Now I don't need that page. I can minimize this window. So, technically it's 7:30 now, and I need to end up going to bed anyway to wake up and go to work tomorrow. And I wonder how bad it's going to be. You know, when I left last Wednesday, I tried to do the best I could to make room for the next people's loads on Thursday morning. But you know, people that work outside of me don't work the way that I do, so I'm gonna come in with a big mess tomorrow. Well, what's new? It says it's one viewer right now. Hey, it's saying that there's two. There's one, there's two. Whoever's ever watching, you can comment on the chat. I don't know if who I see there's two concurrent viewers, but there ain't anyone chatting here. And I already pretty much did my forecast, so if you really want to, you know, read my blog site and go back to the stream if you want to write on the chat and I can basically tell you what I said if you didn't want to go back into the stream later. All right, yeah, my blog site. Obviously, if you came from my blog site, you know what my blog site looked like. But I know a lot of people. You mean no data? It said no data for a second, now it says excellent health. Okay. So if you I pretty much did a graphical forecast of what I basically said right here. So if you wanted to watch the graphical forecast of what this basically means, you can go back to the stream. Yeah, I'm live. Yeah, all right. So I'm pretty much done with the live stream right now. I pretty much did I pretty much did 2 weeks worth of forecasting. But pretty much the 17th through the 23rd, I basically just try to see what type of things that were going to occur. Like on my screen right here, this is the week I was talking about. There's some type of frontal system that's going to be moving in on looks like Monday the 18th right there. As you can see how the total Pacifical water just suddenly just gets dry, and you can see some type of frontal system where the axis southwest winds to northwest. So there's some type of frontal system that's going to be moving through. So as you can see right here, we've got dry conditions on Saturday. That dry condition buckles into southwest winds off this area right here. And then some type of frontal system moves in on Tuesday, and basically it just stays west winds. It stays relatively dry. Yeah, that's a nice high pressure system. See, that frontal system moves in Tuesday, lingers into Wednesday, then beautiful weather for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then after that, it seems like that high pressure system just gets buckled right in, and then we get unsettled on Sunday into Monday, and sometime Tuesday the front moves through, and then sometime after that, I think it's supposed to be better. So not a lot of bad weather the next 2 weeks, to be honest. I mean, the only really rain that I can recall is going to be uh Tuesday into Wednesday next week. And then after that, it becomes nice until sometime Saturday, Sunday, and then there's some type of frontal system Sunday, Monday, and then gets out of there Tuesday. All right, so I don't wonder if that stream thing is me just viewing my own thing. That's why I'm talking to myself. Yeah, that's probably me viewing it because I see one Concur viewer and one views. That one view is me because I clicked on the link and viewed it. So that one view is from me. I know it is. One view from me. One chat rate is basically from me. Okay, so I'm going to say that's a good live stream for now, as I basically covered like 2 weeks of my forecast there. So I will catch you later, and hopefully I have more time for myself to do small half an hour forecasts every other day. I said that the last time I did a live stream, and nothing happened for a whole entire 14 days, which was kind of poor, but peace out, and I catch you in another one as I'm going to be stopping the recording in 3, 2.